Missing someone. Missing someone. Missing someone. Love with all your heart.
Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. My name is Mary, and today we are going to be doing DIY eyelash extensions. Girl, you know, we gotta save that coin, we gotta save that buck. And we are on lockdown and quarantine. We can't get our lashes done or our eyebrows or anything. So, you know, we gotta make do with what we got, you know? We gotta do things ourselves, the DIYs, you know what I mean? The DIY queens. So, if you would like to see how I got these beautiful fluttery lashes, then just keep on watching the tutorial. So what we're gonna need to do your DIY eyelash extensions is, the first thing I bought is this Kiss Lash Couture. This is the Luxtensions collection, and it is the 3D DIY Faux Lash Extensions kit, and it comes with a little eyelash spoolie. It comes with the tweezers to do the lashes, and then it comes with short and medium length lashes, as well as black glue and looks like white or clear glue. But I'm actually not going to be using these individual eyelash clusters. I'm just going to be using like the tweezers and the glue from this because I want them to be more dramatic. So what we are going to do is take these beautiful lashes that are very dramatic. These are the Ardell Mega Volume lashes, and I guess that's just what they're called, is Mega Volume. I'm going to take these and cut them up into like smaller individual clusters, and then we are going to apply these with that glue to our lashes. And then also you'll probably just need some scissors if you're going to be cutting up your lashes. And then if you have like a lit magnifying mirror or a magnifying mirror, that would be great, but I cannot find any, so I'm just gonna be taking my makeup palette with the little mirror. And then you'll probably want like some tissues or a paper towel to like dab off some extra glue if you have that on your lashes and you want to dab some off. So without further ado, let's get right into the video. All right, so the first thing is I'm going to open up our lashes. I am just taking them out of the package. I'm gonna use tweezers. I usually just kind of carefully remove them with my fingers. All right, so see how I picked lashes that I loved, but also that they have like these little, sorry if it's not focusing very well, but these little kind of like sections. You see how it has like, little sections, so we're gonna cut them in this section. So like we're gonna cut it right there, cut them in the kind of cluster sections. So there'll probably be, you know, about, well, that looks like about maybe like 10 lashes per cluster. And I think, you know what, let me get my glue ready because I did see another girl on YouTube. Of course, I was watching myself some tutorials because I need to know what I'm doing. But I saw another girl, she, every time she cut a piece, she just dipped it right in, so she probably like wouldn't forget what's the outer corner and inner corner, which is a good idea. So I'm just going to be opening now our lash kits. They also have these cute little glue pockets, which is nice, and then they have everything else in there. All right, so I'm taking the little spoolie and I'm just gonna spoolie through. I guess you're just supposed to spoolie through your lashes so they're not like tangled or anything. I saw other girls put the lashes actually underneath their natural lashes instead of normally like what you do like on top of the lashes, because when you're doing them yourself, it's hard to see like exactly where to match up the lashes on top. So if you look down on your lashes, they might be all like crooked and stuff, and I don't want it to look like that. So I'm gonna be putting them underneath my lashes so that it's a nice clean look. So just from above, you just see the lashes. We'll just use like the back of this to apply the glue to. And then we're gonna take our nice tweezers. These are nice tweezers, by the way, like Girl, I'm saving these, yas. Then we are just going to be putting some on here. I guess you're not supposed to put too much because it like dries out. So I'm gonna put about that much. Now we are going to go back to our strip lashes. We're going to take this lovely strip lash, cut the cluster at the end. Oop. Of course I would drop it. Like, why didn't I think of that? So we're going to hold our lash, and then we are just going to dip this into the glue. And you want to make sure you are applying it to your actual lash and not your skin. Okay, dip it into some more glue. I'm gonna cut it like a little bit like in between because these are pretty big chunks, to be honest. Take our glue. And I kind of found if you like mix the glue around a little bit, see I'm mixing it a little bit because it is getting like, it's setting, you know? It's like setting like it's getting tacky like normal glue. Dip. Dip and stick and boop 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 boop. All right. Ooh. No, stick to the lash. Starting to get into TikTok, and I made like 10 of them yesterday. Matthew and I have a TikTok. I'm kind of posting on it mostly right now, but y'all should go and follow that TikTok. It's fun. It's fun to make just like funny videos. I like the funny ones. I honestly really, oops, I dropped a lash. There she goes again. Honestly, I really cannot dance. So I'm not like a great dancer. So Matthew, my boyfriend, is an amazing dancer. He is so good at dancing. But he is gonna have to teach me some stuff if I'm gonna be dancing on TikTok, because all those dances are so cute and cool and I love them, but like, yeah, I'm not a natural born dancer. But our TikTok is Matthew_Mary. I will leave it right here for you guys if y'all want to go and follow us. It's really fun. It's cute. At first I was like, what is TikTok? Like, what is this thing? And then everybody was like, oh, it's kind of like a new Vine and everything. It's really cool. You should try it. And then you know what they say, you download TikTok and you're like, whoa, this is so entertaining. And then you just keep watching it and watching it. And I'm like, I want to try some TikToks too. Why not? That sounds fun. So Matthew and I made a channel. And it's really cute. It's fun. But girl, I mean, the Kiss Lash kits with the glue and everything was like $12.99, but it was like $3 off at CVS. I had like a coupon thingy. So that ended up only being like $10. And then the lashes were like another, I think they were only like $5 or $6. So like, I mean, for about $15, you got your own lashes, lash creation system. Ooh, girl, that cute. She cute though. Okay. All right, so I think that is it for that lash. From like the down. Super nice and cute and like fluttery and big. I'll do the other eye off camera and then I'm gonna be back showing how the finished result looks. Okay, so both the lashes are finished. Here is the result of them. Very nice and fluffy. They are super nice and fluffy and big, just like I like them. It's nice because they're not like too crazy dense, you know? Like they're like, in a way, they're like sort of naturally, but like they're also like super long. So I love that. Will be perfect for everyday wear. Some of the lashes kind of kept like falling off. So if you do it, don't get discouraged. Just keep dipping it in the glue and just kind of like, as I started doing it more and more, I got like the technique better down. So like, it's like you find the right amount of glue that you want to use and the way you hold your tweezers, and then you just kind of try to like follow the line of lashes. So just like where the other ship lash ends, just try to put it like right next to it, so it just makes like a nice line. Because like underneath, I don't know if you can see, it's pretty good. I mean, it's not like perfect, but from the top, I don't think you can see any of that. So that's why I'm glad I did it underneath and not above. So y'all, you know, people can't be seeing your mistakes and everything. But this is great. No mascara, no lashes. Yes, girl. It's supposed to last for about 2 weeks. So for $15, I give this a huge thumbs up. It's amazing. Y'all should all go out and get your own DIY kit. So I hope that this tutorial helped you guys. I hope y'all go out and try it and let me know how it comes out in the comments. If you guys have video suggestions, please leave them down in the comments below. Please don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. And thank you so much for watching. It means so much to me. I love you all and thank you guys for your support. Enjoy the lashes if you end up doing them. So